Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence out here in beautiful Portland, Oregon. I got this one job and it's got these flange post brackets and the fence is just leaning. We're gonna go over there and look at it. But I bought these post repair kits off of Amazon, and this is the first fence that I'm ever gonna try them on. So, and hopefully we don't ever have to do this again. But this is just something that, well, I'll show you. Okay, hang in there. Watch this. Let's come over and meet the guys. James, my grandson's on site. There's Steve. We got Cody. Got a couple of boxes here. This is what came off of Amazon here. These couple of boxes of post repair kits. And so here we go, guys. Look at this. This is all leaning. You see that? It's just a leaning fence. And this is the cause of it all right here, guys. This is what I've been talking about. See these brackets here? They got them in there on the wall, but it's just leaning. Everything's leaning because why? There's only 3 inches and 3 inches in the ground, and so they had it built in this thing here. Obviously, they had it built in there, but the wood post probably rotted and broke off. But I mean, you can tell that it's leaning all the way, and there's not enough room here really to put a new fence in. So this is my idea of coming up with this. Let me break into these. You guys want to go ahead and open this up here? Let's open this up right here. Let's get this open. So this is what they look like here. Okay, they come in, they give us some bolts here and a bit. They gave us a drill bit too. But these are what it looked like here. So they're kind of offset. And they come in packaged already, so they must be pretty nice if they're packaged. But anyway, the idea is once we get this out of here, we'll show you. We're going to take one of those, we're going to put it up against there, and then we're going to drill them screws in there. So hang in there, we'll see what it looks like. Go ahead and beat that down in there. Go ahead, keep it up. That's my hand. Don't hit my hand. Keep going down. Go down all the way. All the way until you hit this. Until you hit the. Okay, hold it. Hold it. What's going on here? Okay, go ahead. Do it again, Cody. Okay, hold it. All right. Damn it. We're hitting something. Go ahead. Go ahead. Start when it's top. Right there. Good. Is that shit? Oh, go ahead. No. Alright. Let's come over to this next one here. Here we go. Hold this one level. Okay. Hit that down there now, Cody. Tap it down. A little bit more. Keep going. Wait. Okay. Hit this way. Okay. Good. All right. Grab that screw, Steve. You got it?
No.
Bring a bolt over. Not the drill bit. Just bring a bolt. A couple bolts. And drill that in there real quick like.
I gotta get this off first.
What?
The head of it.
Oh. What happened?
It don't come loose.
We got another one? Do we have another one that...
Yeah, we got another drill.
Let's get one that works. Instead of fucking around. Okay, go ahead and screw in the top one. Look at that. It's already solid. Huh? Yeah. Get them all out. So it's, you can tell it's a lot better, guys. It's probably still got lean in it, but it's definitely gonna stand up there. Probably a lot better than it was. I guess, I don't know. I wouldn't have done this to begin with. This is just what I come up with, so I don't know. I don't like this job any much more than you do. But, you know, it's not leaning anymore. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall one of these days, but there's no room. So I told them, I said, they're gonna have to side mount on the back side of the wall. I wanted to end this video by getting some comments from the guys that actually put them in. Because like I was saying, I don't recommend these post repair kits off of Amazon, but I mean, it is what it is. All right, so let me grab one of the guys here, and we'll see exactly what they got to say about them. James, give me your little opinion on what yesterday was like, putting in those little post saver repair kits. What did you think?
I think they were pretty flimsy. I guess depending on the right job, if the fence was a lot smaller, and if the dirt was more dirt, less gravel, it might have worked. Right. But they didn't work out too great. They're still going to hold the fence, and they definitely straightened them up, but they're not going to do too much substantially to hold out over a long period of time.
Would one of these repair kits work versus just removing and replacing the wood fence post?
Not as good, no, and probably be the same amount of hassle to get the same result.
Okay, well, I appreciate your honesty, James.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what about you, Steve?
What's that?
About yesterday's install with those little post brackets. What did you think?
I didn't
put
like
you on camera here. Go ahead.
I didn't like them.
You didn't like them?
No.
What's your why? Give me your reasons here so that the audience will know.
Because when you pound them in the dirt, they just come back out. Once you get them screwed, they still push right over out of the dirt.
Okay, cool. All right, so would you recommend them for any other repair?
Nope.
All right, thanks for your honesty, Steve.
Yep.
There you got it. There you go, right from the horse's mouth, man. You know, there's probably a good concept, you know, nice concept, but yet, well, I don't want to call them worthless, because somebody put some time into thinking this innovative product and they're making a lot of money on it, but it's just not doing the job as it serves its purpose for. So anyway, there you go. All right, there's my honest review, post repair kits from Amazon. Okay, you guys keep smiling, have a great day.